Welcome back, and this is the moment you've been always waiting for, the most exciting part of Sound of Mercy, where we do Icon of the Week. And like I always do, explain to you that this box here is containing a lot of gospel images here, but whoever images he picks becomes the Icon of the Week. And I'm sure you two can't wait to see the Icon of the Week. I'm always excited more in this section. And how do you feel, Subata, when you're in this section? Have you ever watched this section before?
Let's play it.
So the only way we play it, you have to put your hand inside whoever card you picks out, there's an image there.
Yes.
And with a written name.
Okay.
And whoever you picks becomes the Icon of the Week.
Of
So if you pick yourself, you become the Icon of the Week on Sound of Mercy. So the box is being opened, and let me help you. Let me shuffle it so that there will be no trick. Pick your choice. You can shuffle it yourself again. Yeah. Okay. How you feeling now? Freeze.
Yeah.
How you feeling? Intense.
I'm intense.
This is the Holy Spirit movement.
Yes.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you good to go?
Yes.
Okay. Take one.
Yes. Take this one.
How do you feel taking this one? Why do you feel among all these other ones you pick this one specifically?
I'm not sure.
Do you want to change your mind?
No, this one.
Do you feel like changing? Now I can give you a chance to change your mind.
I'm led.
You are led.
Yeah.
You are led. Okay, let's follow the leading of the Holy Spirit. Okay, give it to me.
Yeah.
Guess who you picked?
Go. If it's not me, I don't know.
You love yourself now? Too much. You say if it's not you, you don't know. There is this guy you picked. I don't know if you know his song. Okay, let's take the blindfold out now so you can see properly. The guy that sang this song, you are all that matters. You are all that matters. Oh, way. You are all that matters. Oh, way. Do you know the song?
I know.
Okay, do it for me. Do it a little, the part you know. Let me hear.
I'll make room for two.
Yeah.
You and I, Jesus. You are all that matters. You are all that matters. Oh, way. You are all that matters. That's my song. I love that song.
So, do you know his name?
Oh, yes.
What's his name?
It's Minister GUC.
Yeah!
Yes,
Yeah. You are led by the Spirit indeed. I'm so excited. Wow. Now, let's know who GUC is. We'll be right back shortly. Sound of Mercy is not just a program, it's a program that will inspire you to go back.
Welcome to Sound of Mercy, and I am your girl, Katleho Nkodi, aka Kat. And today's Icon of the Week section is Gift to Oguchi Christopher.
I'll make room for two. You and I, Jesus.
Best known as Minister GUC, all the way from River State in Nigeria. GUC is a multi-genre gospel music minister based in Port Harcourt, where he enrolled in 2013. Well, GUC has crossed the border, spreading life-transforming gospel through his music. He started his gospel ministry with a few friends, including Barochi and Emma, naming just a few. He has ministered in various major gospel events all around the state of Nigeria. He also has an online forum where he mentors young music ministers, where he shares all his experience in the field. In 2019 to 2020, was a big major upliftment for him as he landed a record label deal owned by Ezekiel, thank God, and he was nominated for an upcoming Maranatha Award in USA. As his song All That Matters was streaming more than 1 million times globally, which was a big breakthrough for him. GUC has released a series of gospel singles which many Christians testify to be divine, including Desperate, Thank You, You Know, Truth, and many more. That's all for GUC. So I am your girl, Katlehong Kodi, aka Kat. Please make sure you like, you subscribe, you comment, you share. See you next week when we talk about the next icon of the week.
SOM. Sound of Mercy. Keep watching.
Welcome back, and that GUC is a gospel minister. He has blessed life with his style of worship. This guy has indeed blessed us with his ministration. Anytime I hear that his song, especially You Are All That Matter, I feel that song, it's amazing. So how do you feel this moment picking one of your favorite artists?
Ooh, I'm so excited.
Indeed, you are led by the Spirit.
He sees this.
He's going to see it because we're going to send the viewers. There's no way he's not going to see it. He's going to see it. He's going to see it.
Okay.
Thank you so much. So how do we get your music and the rest so that people in West Africa, in North Africa, in Southern Africa can get your song? Where are the platforms?
The platforms are on Facebook. I'm Sabata, Sabasoul, Masoga. On Insta, I'm Sabata Masoga. On Twitter, I'm @Sabata/Masoga. And then the music, the digital platforms, your iTunes, your Google Play, your Spotify, your Amazon, and all. I'm there. Yeah, you just go Sabata Masoga.
Yes. Just say you are global.
I'm global. Yes.
Just say I need Sabata.
Yes,
global.
yes.
So thank you very much for today's edition. We're so excited, and here with me, I'm so happy. Do you have any maybe 10-second songs to sing for us so that we can just use it to say bye-bye to our viewers? But before then, let me say thank you to all our followers, those who are taking the time to share our videos on social media, subscribing and following us and liking and commenting. God bless you. We love you so much. You've been so you mean so much to us. You're inspiring us to do more and bringing people like Sabata to the show and others. Without you, we can't be encouraged. We can't be love to go into these details, into this much. But because of you, we promise you to be bringing you fresh content. Just subscribe to our YouTube channel, our Facebook page, and all our social media platforms. And please, don't forget, give to God what he cannot give to himself, and God will give to you what you cannot give to yourself. My name is Michael David Acme, your favorite and humble boy, always loyal. Me, I'm a very loyal guy. Very loyal to the core. Loyal. See you next time, next week on the same show, SOM, Sound of Mercy. Keep watching. What's the song you want for us?
It's a song, like it's in my heart, what we're going through as the world. It's an old hymn. My mom used to love it. It goes like this. When peace like a river attendeth my way, when sorrows like sea billows roll, whatever, my Lord, thou hast taught me to say, it is well with my soul.
Wow. I love that pitch. Wow. Thank you so much. See you next week. This is Sound of Mercy. Bye-bye for now.